BOA, BOA, Ru Ifa Soro. Like Proverbs, is how Ifa speaks. Opo Ibukun, abundant blessings. Owe ki itan Lenu Agba. A proverb never finishes in the mouth of an elder. This proverb means that wisdom speech is inexhaustible. Each generation deepens it. Each generation adds understanding and keeps the current of knowledge alive. Sometimes words can get in the way of knowledge. Sometimes meaning can get lost in verbiage. Sometimes words can actually restrict or limit our understanding by boxing us into a narrow interpretation of what is being shared. Our ancestors understood this. They recognized that the breadth and depth of information that is evident all around us cannot always be explained explicitly in a way that is direct or precise. Sometimes the heart and mind have to be given time to receive, accept, comprehend, and internalize the message that is being shared. Hence, the ancestral tradition of expressing wisdom lessons in Proverbs. Proverbs allow deep knowledge and guidance to be conveyed in a few memorable words that can be easily memorized, recalled, and repeated from one generation to the next. Ifa encourages you to share wisdom in the form of proverbs and sayings, just as your ancestors have done for thousands of years. Owe ki itan Lenu Agba, a proverb never finishes in the mouth of an elder. Subscribe to Ile Awo Orisa playlist at Alakoso. Ashe, Ashe, Asheo.